All right, guys, real quick, we in Philly D's garage. I gotta change the clip on my 3/8 Ingersoll electric gun. So let's get with it. I'm gonna grab a pick, just a little pick we can use to pop this off. It's a little pick like this. As you can see, it's already like snagged a little bit. I had a socket on there and the socket wouldn't come off. So I had to like pry it off, and I left the clip pretty much like this. So I'm just gonna take this pick and try to slide this thing off. All right, so it came off. I don't know where it went, but it flew off. All right, so I use these people, Tool Guy, Republic. It comes with a tool that you need, that you can use to install it. I don't really use it all the time, but it do work. I think this is the right clip. All right, so I got a 3/8 clip for a 3/8 drive, and here it is. Look, it's all bent up. I don't know if you could tell. I don't think I have one. The main thing you need is a gasket. The gasket is what goes on first, and then you put the clip on, and the gasket, the O-ring, is what keeps the pressure on the clip, so your socket won't fall off. So I got some O-rings in here, but I don't think it's the right size. This looks way too small for 3/8. You see how small that is? They gotta be for a 1/4 inch. Let me see, because if it fits on there, I'm putting it on there, because I need this at work. Even if I get it around, it'll probably break off. Let me see. So we got it on there. I don't know. All right, so we got an O-ring on there. I don't know if that's going to work, because I think it's too small. So I'm just putting the rest of these clips back inside this bag. I put the clip that I need back inside the bag. So what they want you to do with this tool is pretty much lay your clip in there like that, just like that. Lay it in there, and then you want to get your gun, put an angle in there like that. And then basically you pop it down just like that. You just hit the top of your gun, and I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, shit. So let's try that again. I thought it went in there. You put it in there like that. And it's not going in there. Let's see. There you go. So it went in that time. So as you can see, got you guys. All right. So as you can see, the clip is on there, and the O-ring is underneath it. So last thing we gotta do, let's put a socket on there and see. That's a 3/8. Let's grab a 3/8 socket. See if this will slide on there. Oh man, it won't even go on there, so tight. There we go. Bam. So we got it on there. I don't like how tight it took to, how hard it took to get it on there. I mean, it might be hard to get it off. Okay, I got it off. So, I mean, after a few times of using it, it'll get a little looser, but that's how you change the clip on your Ingersoll ran electric gun. Yeah, hit the like video, hit the like button, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.